A 25-year-old Meitei youth was reportedly rescued by villagers of Makhan village after he tried to stray towards Leimakhong area yesterday. The youth is identified as Loitongbam Rajesh, son of El Chorjit from Hairok Part 2, Thauchom Leirak in Thoubal district. The incident occurred at around 10:50 p.m. last night when villagers of Makhan village, a Naga village, spotted the youth. The villagers stopped the youth from proceeding further to Leimakhong area, which is predominantly inhabited by Kuki community, and was handed over to Segmai police station at around 11:35 p.m. yesterday. The incident occurred on the same day when two Meitei youths were released by Kuki community after they were held captive for 6 days. This calls for strict measures on the part of security forces who are posted at peripheral areas to prevent people from crossing towards conflict zones. It may be mentioned that many individuals have been killed, while many are still traceless after they had crossed the so-called buffer zone, which is being created owing to the ongoing violent conflict.